Okay, what are we up to today? Let's put some air in the tyre. Really exciting stuff. Now I do have a hand pump. I don't have a compressor. I should have a compressor here, but I don't. There is a compressor around somewhere. But I thought, well, good excuse to go for a little jog. Let's rock and roll, baby. Oh shit. Oh shit. Why is it happening? Why is that happening? More 775. Okay. Why did that stall? The side stand is fully up. Don't know why. Try again. Hey Chow. That was Chow. Chowmeister. Drop this muddy, dirty, shitty road. Oi! Oh, raining. It's raining. I can feel rain, baby. Here comes the rain. Puddles. Blind corner here. Love to see around. These guys go about 80 around here, 80 kilometers, 50 miles an hour. So, bit of scoot. Scoot, scoot, scoot. Scooties, baby! Lots of dirt, mud. It's been raining a lot, been snowing, there's a lot of shit in the fucking road, and it's right where I shouldn't be in the middle, like I should be over here. I actually met that girl, believe it or not. And her partner, guitarist guy, Annie Lennox, met her in a hotel. Great girl, by the way. Awesome, awesome, awesome. Friendly, down to earth. Could not meet a nicer person. So we go slow. Whoopie doos! Whee! Doggy! Hello doggy! Doggy! Hello doggy! More doggies! Hey, look at all the doggies! Hello doggies! Only 78. Why is it so? It's pretty cold still. Should have been about 80 or 90 by now. Where's my neutral? Hundreds. Oh, hi kids. Hello. Hey. Probably want to blip the throttle, but I'm here for another reason. Maybe it's not going to go with them. Now, where's my fucking... Oh no, don't tell me it's over. Under there. Do not... Oh shit. Oh, fuck. Place to stop. Might wheel it backwards. Forward. Forward. Okay. How's that? Just made it worse. How much am I going to put this thing? Oh, 30 sounds good. Oh fuck. When in doubt, read first. Yes, apply for tyres out of service, please, and not use. Okay. Well, it seems like it works. Besides, it's pretty good to me. $24, that's okay. Bit high, but I think for one's down to 27. Okay. It was actually down to 18. It was pretty shitty. $34 is better than 18. Should be about 33, I think. Okay. Raining again. Oh, doggy bark, missed that one. Oh, chick. Cross. Around. fuck. Clutch control, baby. Line, what's wrong? I haven't freaking ridden for a long time. Oh, here comes the rain, fellas. That's the rain, baby. Come the rain. Yeah, fuck. Nice. Can't see shit. Oh. Rain, rain, rain. Slippery on the roads. Where the roads get slippery, they've been dry. Got cars going over, it's spilling their fucking oil, and now it rains. And as soon as it rains, you're going to get a slightly slippery surface. Sorry. Maybe, especially on these roads. In the rain, baby, in the rain, in the rain. I shouldn't go down the first, should be in second, but anyway. That's a bit better. I think there's a tiny little ping that's happening in the combustion chamber. If you can hear me over all this crap, over the engine and the rain and shit. Slippery shit. This fucking bike does like 90 in first, and God knows in second probably about 150. So it's hard to rev it really out, especially on shitty roads when it's raining. But anyway, that's just what it is today. The rain, baby. The rain. Rain, rain, rain. First time this bike's been out in the rain, I think. Well, second time maybe. Whoa. Bad idea. I was putting my visor up thinking I could see better, but then all the rain and wind just fucking hit my face. Dirt is. Oh, fucking dirt everywhere, dude. I am slowing down. You didn't notice that, but I did. Backslid. I hit the back brake and the backslid just fucking right out. Oh well. Fucking just did it again. My burning clutch. That'd be about right. My clutch was awful today. I mean, my clutch was fine. I was the one that was awful. This is the routine. Go in here, put the board out. These are the horse stables. I'm still working on. It's really a bit dark for you to see, but anyway. Yeah. Fix the roof. Well, temporary. I'm wet. Wet. Gotta do a obligatory photograph for Instagram, of course. Yeah. Obligatory photograph coming up. A bit closer. And obligatory photograph's done. I must say the bike is idling very well, considering I haven't really taken it for long runs, which I should be doing, including that motor, which will be happening. Go for a few long runs. There's a bit of mud there. Yeah, muddy mud pie. Let's bring my gloves on again. Don't really need to, but do it anyway. Wet. Okay, fuckers. Oh, 96, that's more like it. So the bike, the perfect temperature is 96. But this motor is sensitive to temperature. And if it goes up to 100, 101, if it gets to 101, 102, that's when you should start worrying. 4 degrees Celsius, 95 isn't far off. Okay, go. And we are home, sweet home, baby. New home, yeah. Here we go.